Walk through Singapore's Changi Airport, and if you look closely, you will notice something quietly extraordinary: a machine the size of a small car gliding across the floor, polishing it to a shine, weaving around travelers all on its own. A driverless vehicle rolling across the tarmac with no one at the wheel. A friendly screen on wheels, rolling up to answer your questions. All around you, robots are at work, some in plain sight, many more hidden behind the scenes, keeping the world's best airport running smoothly around the clock. They clean, they carry, they guide, they guard, and they never take a break. Today, in Changi Unlocked, we are going to explore exactly how the robots of Singapore's airport actually work, and why an airport would hand so much of its daily life over to machines. By the end, you will see the airport with new eyes and notice the quiet army of machines that most travelers walk straight past without ever realizing they are there. First, the big question: why does Changi rely so heavily on robots in the first place? The answer comes down to a challenge Singapore faces more sharply than almost anywhere else. It is a small country with a small population, and that population is aging. There simply are not enough workers to do every job a giant, growing airport demands, especially the tiring, repetitive, around-the-clock tasks like cleaning vast floors, hauling heavy loads, and patrolling endless corridors through the night. Rather than accept that limit, Singapore did what it always does. It turned to technology. Robots do not get tired, do not call in sick, and do not mind working at 3 in the morning. By handing the dull and heavy jobs to machines, Changi frees its human staff to do what people do best: caring for travelers, solving problems, and making the airport feel welcoming. It is not about replacing people. It is about letting people focus on the things machines cannot do. A country that cannot simply hire its way out of a problem has to think its way out instead. And Changi turned that pressure into a head start on the future of airports. Let us start with the robots you are most likely to see: the cleaners. Changi is famous for being spotless, and a small army of autonomous cleaning robots is a big part of how it stays that way. These machines roll slowly across the terminals and through Jewel, scrubbing and polishing the floors to a mirror shine hour after hour. What makes them clever is not the cleaning, it is the navigating. Each robot is packed with sensors that build a live map of everything around it, letting it steer through crowds of travelers, slow down when someone steps in front of it, and glide around luggage trolleys and pillars without ever bumping into a soul. It knows exactly which areas it has covered and which it still needs to reach, working through its route methodically, then returning on its own to recharge when its battery runs low. No one has to drive it, and no one has to tell it where to go. When it finishes, it parks itself, tops up its own battery, and heads back out to start again. A job that once required teams of people pushing machines up and down endless halls now happens quietly on its own, day and night, so that no matter what hour you arrive, the floor beneath your feet is spotless. Next, head out to the tarmac, the vast working surface where the planes park, and you will find some of the most impressive robots of all. Moving luggage, cargo, and equipment around an airport is enormously heavy, repetitive work, and Changi has been steadily handing it to driverless vehicles. Autonomous tractors tow long trains of baggage carts between the terminals and the aircraft entirely on their own. Navigating one of the busiest and most dangerous work environments in the world without a single driver. They follow precise digital routes, sense other vehicles and obstacles around them, and stop instantly if anything crosses their path. The airport has trialed driverless buses to ferry staff and passengers across the airfield, and even automated systems to help dock the aircraft and load them. Bit by bit, the dangerous back-breaking work of the tarmac is being handed to tireless machines. The tarmac is a brutal place to work, blazing hot, deafeningly loud, and crowded with heavy vehicles moving in every direction. And it is exactly the kind of environment where a tireless, ever-alert machine can shine. Every load a robot tows is a load a human does not have to haul through the heat and noise. And a machine that never gets distracted is a machine far less likely to cause an accident among the parked jets. If you're enjoying this look under the hood of the world's best airport, hit that like button and subscribe, because the smartest robots are still ahead. Now come back inside to the very start of your journey, and you will meet a different kind of automation. When you check in for a flight at Changi, much of the process is handled by machines. Self-service kiosks let you check yourself in and print your own bag tag in seconds. Then you carry your bag to an automated bag drop where you place it down, it is weighed and scanned, and it disappears into the system, all without a single staff member needed. Further along, automated immigration gates read your face and your passport and open in seconds, letting you clear the border without ever speaking to an officer. These are robots too, in their way, machines quietly taking over the slow, queue-forming tasks that used to eat up so much of a traveler's time, and doing them faster than any human counter ever could. What once meant standing in 3 separate lines, at check-in, at bag drop, and at immigration, has been shrunk into a few quick self-service steps, so that the whole journey from the front door to the gate can take just minutes. Then, there are the robots designed simply to help. Changi has experimented with friendly service robots that roll through the terminals, greeting travelers, giving directions, and answering questions on a screen. Lost, confused, or just curious passengers can approach one and get pointed the right way. In the dining areas, tray collection robots trundle between the tables, gathering up the trays and dishes that people have finished with, keeping the food halls clean and clear. These robots are built to be approachable, moving gently, lighting up, and making it obvious they are there to serve, so that a machine rolling towards you feels helpful rather than strange. Children in particular love them, and that is no accident. A robot that delights a tired family is doing a job that goes beyond directions, turning a stressful moment in a journey into a small spark of wonder. The airport also uses robots to keep watch. Security and patrol robots can roam designated areas, fitted with cameras and sensors that monitor for anything unusual, acting as an extra set of tireless eyes alongside the human security teams. They can cover ground through the quiet overnight hours, patrolling the same routes again and again without ever losing focus, and alert human officers the moment something needs attention. In a place where safety can never slip, having machines that never blink is a powerful advantage. A human guard grows tired and distracted on a long night shift, but a patrol robot walks its route at 4 in the morning with exactly the same focus it had at noon, freeing the human teams to respond where real judgment is needed. So how do all these robots actually find their way around a place as busy and crowded as an airport? This is the real magic, and it is the same clever technology in nearly all of them. Each robot carries a suite of sensors, spinning lasers, cameras, and detectors that constantly measure the distance to everything around it, dozens of times a second. From this flood of information, the robot builds a detailed, living 3-dimensional map of its surroundings and works out exactly where it is within that map. It knows where the walls are, where the furniture is, and crucially, where the people are. When a traveler steps into its path, it sees them coming and slows, or stops, or steers around them, all in an instant. The robots are also connected to a central system that assigns them tasks and tracks where each one is, so the whole fleet works together rather than getting in each other's way. It is a blend of smart sensing on each machine and clever coordination across all of them. This is why a cleaning robot can glide through a crowd of rushing travelers without ever touching one, and why a driverless tractor can share the tarmac with jumbo jets. The machine is not blindly following a painted line. It is genuinely seeing and understanding the world around it and reacting to it in real time. What makes Changi's approach so effective is that the robots and the humans work as a team. The machines take the jobs that are dull, dirty, heavy, or endless: the scrubbing, the hauling, the patrolling, the scanning. The people take the jobs that need warmth, judgment, and a human touch: reassuring a nervous flyer, helping a family with a problem, making a decision a machine cannot. Neither replaces the other. Together, they let the airport do more cleanly, and more smoothly than either could manage alone. A cleaning robot polishes the floor, while a staff member nearby helps a lost traveler find their gate, each doing exactly what they are best at. And this is only the beginning. Changi keeps testing and adding new machines, pushing further into automation with every passing year, because the pressures that drove it here, a small workforce, and a relentless demand for perfection, are not going away. The airport treats itself as a living laboratory, trialing the newest robots and keeping the ones that prove themselves, always searching for the next task a machine can quietly take over. Robots that fold and sort, robots that carry and deliver, robots that inspect and monitor, each new generation a little smarter and a little more capable than the last. The airport of the future is being built and tested right here, in the corridors and on the tarmac, one robot at a time. Step back and look at the whole picture: the gleaming floors, the bags that arrive on time, the queues that vanish, the sense that everything simply works. So much of it is quietly powered by machines you barely notice. Changi did not turn to robots to look futuristic. It did it to solve a real problem, to keep the best airport in the world running flawlessly with a workforce too small to do it the old way. And in solving that problem, it built a glimpse of how airports everywhere will eventually run. The robots of Changi are not a gimmick or a show. They are the quiet, tireless engine beneath one of the smoothest travel experiences on Earth, working through every hour of every day so that the humans, both the staff and the travelers, never have to feel the strain underneath. If you want to see more of how Singapore uses technology to do the impossible, subscribe and watch the video on your screen now.